Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? So we've been learning about shapes. We've learned about circles, squares, triangles, and today we're going to learn about a new one. Now, let's review. A circle has curved sides. Now, something all of these shapes have in common, they are flat. They're two-dimensional and flat. So it's flat, a circle is flat, and it has curved surfaces or curved lines. A square is flat and it has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. All right, let's see which one we're going to learn about today. All right, you're in Module 16, Lesson 4. I can identify and describe rectangles. All right, so let's look. This is a rectangle. It's flat. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides, just like a square. But does it have equal sides? No, that has a long side and short sides. 2 long, 2 short, right? How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices or 4 corners. So it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The difference between a rectangle and a square. Rectangle, square. Rectangle, square. Square, rectangle. The rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. All right, you're on page 417. That's 417 in your book. Listen to the story. Talk about the shapes you see. Mark an X on an item Sonia could buy. Sonia is at a yard sale. She buys an item that is flat with 4 corners and 4 sides. Which of these items could she buy? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3. That has 3 sides. Can she buy that one? Nope. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Has 4 corners and 4 sides, but it's a square. Did you know squares are also rectangles? I don't mean to confuse you, but that's a square. So for the sake of this, we're not going to count that one. This is a sphere. It's not two-dimensional. This is a cube. It's not two-dimensional. Remember, two-dimensional means flat. And this is a cylinder. It's not three-dimensional. I'm sorry, it's not two-dimensional. It is three-dimensional. What about this? This is a poster. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So let's see. We're going to mark an X on that one because that's the one she could buy, right? All right, let's go to the next page. Mark an X on all the objects shaped like a rectangle. Rectangle is two-dimensional and flat. That's two-dimensional, not a rectangle. That's two-dimensional, not a rectangle. This window is two-dimensional, but it's a square. How about the door? How about the poster? How about the window? You'll have to look and see which ones you think are. Why don't you pause this while you do that? All right, and you're going to color the flat shapes. Once again, it's on a piece of paper, Math Wizard, so it's flat. Yes, but remember, some of these pictures represent three-dimensional shapes or solid shapes. Like these, because the lines here, it represents a sphere, right? And this represents what? A cube, yeah. Good, that's a cylinder, all right? So you're gonna find the flat shapes and color them. So pause this while you do that, all right? Okay, let's trace each side of the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? Write that number. How many vertices or corners? Write that number. You can pause this while you do that. All right, you're going to mark an X on all the shapes with 4 sides and 4 vertices, and tell your homeschool teacher how the shapes are alike and how they're different. Don't forget. Is that still a rectangle? Yeah, it's just not. Oh, is that a rectangle? Yep. It doesn't matter which way it's, like what position it's in. It's still a rectangle because it has 4 sides and 4 corners. All right. So go ahead and pause this while you put an X on all those shapes. All right. And then on your own, there are 2 questions. So go find your homeschool teacher to read those questions to you and you can answer them. And remember, it's your turn to really show them how much you know about rectangles. All right. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.